Hey, in today's video, we are talking about the Ford Raptor, but more importantly, we are talking about the 37 Performance package. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned. What is going on, social media family? My name is Jorge Lopez, and I am your sales consultant. We are located in Tomball, Texas, and Tomball Ford is your dealership of choice. Welcome to yet another video. In today's video, we are talking about the beast of a truck, the Ford Raptor, my favorite pickup truck, the best truck off-road capability in the market today. Hey, but specifically, we are talking about the Raptor Performance package. Is it worth it? What is included in the Raptor Performance package? So without further ado, let's dive deep, let's check this out, and let's see if the 37 Performance package is worth the money. Okay, as you guys know, I always like to start talking with the window sticker so that you guys can see what I'm seeing. Obviously, a 2022 Ford Raptor Super Crew EcoBoost Code Orange. What do you guys think about the Code Orange? Pretty bold, isn't it? Would you own a Code Orange? Who knows? Comment below and let us know. But hey, look, we are talking about the 8018 package, and you can see the options, but specifically, I want you to focus on the Raptor 37 Performance package for $5,250. So let me show you what's included, and let's compare it to this guy that has the 35-inch tires. Starting off, I'm gonna show you the star of the 37 Performance package is the 37-inch tires. Hey, 37-inch tires. Look, it is a 37-inch tire, a 12.5-inch rim on a size 17-inch wheel. So this is the biggest difference between a 37 and a non-37. I'm gonna show you the tire size on this guy is a 315/70 R17. Now that equates to about maybe a 34.5-inch tire. So technically all of these companies call them a 37-inch tire, 35-inch tire. Now the shocks are also a little bit different. They're more sport tuned. Now coming along the back, my customer on this one decided to remove the graphics, but I definitely wanted to show you what the graphics look like. I'm gonna post a picture on the screen so that you can check it out. My customer decided to remove the graphics package. So on the exterior, that's really pretty much what you get when you go with a 37-inch Performance package. Okay, let's talk about why would somebody buy a 37 over a non-37? Well, first of all, as you can see, the stance. I mean, I think that most people would buy it because of the look. I mean, just looking at both trucks right there, you can obviously see that one of them is taller than the other one. And you can actually see them like right here. I mean, this is a higher, beefier style of truck than this. So I think that's a major reason why somebody would buy it. Exclusivity would be another one. I mean, you've got something that is from the factory, a 37 Performance, a specific wheel. You don't have to modify this truck right here to make it look bad to the bone. But hey, nothing talking about bad about this truck, because this one is still bad to the bone. It's super capable. But man, another thing that why people would buy something like this would be the height. I mean, the ground clearance, the ability for you to have a little bit more optional things that you can go over. So for those reasons, people would buy a 37, but in all honesty, I think that most people would buy it by the look, and I think that you can achieve this look on this truck by just doing a few modifications. Okay, so now let's talk about the money, okay? So $5,200 to achieve this look on the 37 Performance package. Obviously, this is standard, but I wanna talk about what if you wanna make that into this look. Well, first of all, you've got some KO2s, BF Goodrich, 37-inch tires. You can get them for about $2,000. So that's easy right there. Also, if you want to replace the wheels, for example, maybe some Fuel Rebel wheels, those are about $1,400, you know, a set. So now we've got that achieved. I want to look at my notes. Mounting and balancing, maybe $200 right there. So you've got already a total of about $3,600 that you can take this truck right here and kind of make it look like that. Now, if you want to achieve a little bit of a higher stance than even this guy, you can spend about $1,000 and do a leveling kit. Now this leveled would be higher than this truck right here. So you've got a total of about $4,600, but let's say that you want to sell this set of wheels and tires. You can probably easily get them, get about $1,000. So that 46 now is down to 36. So 36 leveled, being taller than this, definitely makes sense to go with a non-37 at the stuff, because also there is delays on 37s. I know there's delays on everything, but on a Ford Raptor, the 37s have more delays. Out of the 20 that we have ordered and sold so far, only about 5 of them have been with the 37 performance package. So I encourage you, consider something like this and update, upgrade, make it your own for a fraction of the cost. Now let's talk about, is the 37 performance package worth it? Well, in my opinion, I think you're better off to order a Raptor without the 37 performance, because you don't have the delays and because you can achieve this look on a vehicle that doesn't have it. Granted, I know there's delays and stuff like that, but hey, the order banks are going to be opening for 2023, and I can promise you one thing, that if you allow me to help you, not only am I giving you a great deal on a Ford Raptor, but I'm going to recommend we go with a non-37 performance and achieve a better look than that for a fraction of the cost. Well, hey, listen, thank you so much for watching this shorter video. I would hope that you found it informative. If you did, give us a like. Make sure that you share this video with anybody else that might be looking for a Raptor. And remember, I sell at MSRP. Contact me, comment below to find out how to get into a list for the 2023 Ford Raptors. I am so excited. I ship anywhere in the country. I've done it now since 2017, and it would be my pleasure to help you out. With that being said, thank you so much for tuning in. On to the next video. Have a blessed day.